If you think AI peaked with ChatGPT, you're already behind. Because right now there's a wave of AI automation trends quietly replacing jobs, building businesses, and printing money for people who understand what's coming. And most people have no idea. Let's break down the hottest AI automation trends in 2026 and how you can actually use them. First up, AI agents, not chatbots, not simple prompts. We're talking about autonomous AI agents that can plan, execute, and complete tasks without you babysitting them. Think an AI that finds leads, writes outreach, sends emails, follows up, books appointments, and learns over time. Tools like AutoGPT style systems and multi agent frameworks are turning one person businesses into fully automated machines. If you're still manually doing outreach or admin work, you're competing against people who aren't. Next, AI plus automation stacks. This is where the real power is. People are combining tools like CRMs, APIs, and automation platforms to create full pipelines that run 24/7. Lead comes in, AI qualifies it, AI responds, AI nurtures, AI books the call. No employees, no delays. If you can build or sell these systems, you're not just offering a service, you're selling leverage. Third trend, vertical AI solutions. Generic AI is dying. The money is in niche specific AI tools. AI for real estate, AI for med spas, AI for local service businesses. Instead of I do AI, the winners are saying, I build AI systems that get dentists 20 new patients a month. That specificity is what closes deals fast. Now let's talk about something exploding right now, AI content automation at scale. We're not talking about writing one blog post. We're talking about systems that generate hundreds of SEO pages, viral short form videos, Pinterest pins, email sequences, all automated. The people winning aren't creating content, they're building machines that create content. Next, voice AI and AI sales reps. This is a big one. AI can now handle inbound and outbound calls, qualify leads, and even close simple deals. Imagine replacing your entire call center with an AI that never sleeps. Businesses are already doing this, and customers often don't even realize they're talking to AI. Another massive trend, open source AI and custom models. Companies are moving away from relying only on big platforms. They're training their own models, fine tuning AI on their own data, creating private systems that give them a competitive edge. If you understand how to customize AI, even at a basic level, you become 10x more valuable overnight. And finally, AI powered micro SaaS. This is where individuals are quietly making serious money. Simple tools, very specific use cases, monthly subscriptions. You don't need to build the next big tech company. You just need to solve one painful problem with AI and charge for it. Here's the reality. AI isn't replacing everyone, but people using AI are replacing people who aren't. So the question isn't, is AI the future? The question is, are you building with it or getting replaced by it?